In a dense forest lived a fierce lion. He was very cruel. One day, the lion was caught in a hunter's trap. One by one, many animals passed by. Please help me, pleaded the lion. But none of the animals listened to his plea. After a while, a man happened to come into the forest. He saw the lion. The lion said, I will die of hunger and suffocation. Please help me out. O kind man. The man was thoughtful. I assure you, I will never harm you. Please help me now. The hunter will be any time now, said the lion. The man felt sorry for the lion and set the beast free. As soon as the lion was free, he let out a fierce roar. I have been trapped in the cage for a long time. I am hungry. I will have to eat you, said the lion, looking at the man. But you promised that you would not harm me, said the man in a meek tone. Yes, I said that, but only to convince you to free me. Now I am terribly hungry, said the lion. The terrified man thought quickly. He said, all right, you can eat me, but let a judge decide if you are right in eating the person who has rescued you. The lion agreed. He was sure that no animal would speak against him. Just then a jackal came that way, and the lion asked the jackal to be the judge. He addressed the lion. Sir, would you please show me how it all happened? The lion was only too willing. He entered the cage and closed the cage door. The jackal immediately bolted the cage from outside. Now the lion is trapped again. Run away, you foolish man, and never offer help to anyone without thinking, said the jackal. The frightened man ran for his life, and the ungrateful lion was trapped in the cage again. The hunter came and took the lion away to his circus.